All right, Aaron. Show us how it's done.
I don't know if it's too big or not.
Sled like a man. His knees are bigger than they used to be, Dad.
Wow.
Can we get a different rubber band?
Rubber band? Rubber band?
Oh my God.
That is so Aaron.
Bunged himself in.
He did that all growing up.
And that is how you're supposed to do it.
Lean forward! Lean forward!
Lean forward. Whatever you do, lean.
I don't have any handles! I'm holding on to Aaron then. Do you got handles?
There's handles.
Grab Aaron's fat.
Okay, got it. We're good.
Just grab those big thighs of his.
Huge thunder thighs.
Keep them in. Okay, here we go.
Oh no!
Going down backwards.
Whoa!
They're going faster.
Poor ship!
I'm already counting.
As Aaron's heading out with the shovel.
He made it!
Wow, he went really far.
Just let him go.
He protected her.
He protected her.
I love that he blocks her face.
Aaron! Aaron, shield Billy! Shield Billy!
Deal on this.
You're on the sled.
Me?
Oh! Nice!
Move inside and slide forward.
Vengeance is mine!
And Tanny?
You.
I love that he's dragging it up for
Aaron,
us.
bring it up.
I like this.
I was gonna say it's a pretty good idea.
You lay on it and he'll kneel on your back.
I can tell what he's.
We didn't have sled.
Please do that.
Do it.
Do it. Kneel on his back.
Kneel on his back?
He wants you to kneel on his back.
Wait, what?
He's circling on his knees.
Somebody push us!
Push.
Legs!
This is very dangerous.
Oh, we know. Yeah, Kelly, you can find that snowball.
Get it, get it, get it.
Get it!
Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Oh my gosh.
He almost got away.
Let's do it again. Lily, I'm sorry. Not
You don't think two people in the same spot on that ice will break through?
Nope.
I won't hit a pregnant woman.
You're lucky.
Okay, it's videotaping. I'm ready to go.
Well, great. I'll take advantage of this.
He's going to hit your husband
Hey.
instead. How does this work?
I love how Aaron hit him too.
I know. He waited.
I'm filming this. Go again. Go, go, go.
Hold on. My glasses need
That was epic! That was epic! Oh! That was so awesome!
You lost your glasses.
As Katie comes over, almost
Don't throw it. I'm holding my
Hey, did you have fun in the snow? Your face is all red. Oh, you went down with Uncle Chase all the way to the bottom. Huh? Uncle Chase, huh? You want Daddy? You want Daddy to take you down? Come here, Daddy's out this way. You really need to wrap the bungee like all the way around her, and then you'll get it. Seriously. If you wrap it all the way around her, she won't fall back like that.
You mean behind her?
Yeah. She's a daredevil. Look at her. She wants to like stand up, go head first like the boys. Give her the thing to hold on to. She wants the handle. There you go. Now you can hold on to it, baby. There you go. Oh,
You want to just lay down?
she's fine with that.
Okay. Let's just lay down. Here, baby.
Oh yes, she is your daughter in way too many ways. Look at this.